Hello everyone. I am here with the new chapter that is body movement. What is mean by body movement? Movement is the change in the position of a body part with respect to the whole body. In this chapter, we will be learning all this objective that is introduction of human body, then movements, locomotions, bones and their functions, types of bones, relaxations and contractions of muscles, types of joints, gaits, and the very interesting question, how do snakes move? This chapter is divided into 4 lectures. So, in the first lectures, we will be completing the first 3 objectives, that is introduction, movements, and locomotion. So let's start. Do you observe why we humans walk and a snake slithers? What makes us move? There are many things happen in our body. A lots of reactions takes place in living organisms. We can walk, write, read, run, etc. But the question arises how this movement takes place. So let's study this point in this chapter. Human body. What is human body? Human body is the structure of a human being. It is composed of many types of cells that together create tissues and subsequently organ systems. So, human body is made up of millions of small structures called as cells. Group of cells come together to form tissues, muscles, blood vessels, etc. But do you know how this all organ fix on their place? Yes, this questions always arises in mind. So let's study. Human body contains 206 bones, which makes skeleton. Skeleton helps to give body shape and also supports our body. They also play an important role in body movement. But a newborn baby body contains around 305 bones. When the baby bodies grow in adult, then it gets then bone fused, then the adult body contain 206 bones. How this happens? What is the reason behind this? Do you know how this happens? So let's know the answer for this question. The human skeleton contains around 305 bones. The number of bones change with age, then an adult contain only 206 bones because bones by adulthood after some time they fuse and form one bone. So this is the simplest and the best answer for the question. Now let's learn what are movements. Movement is a process where whole body contract to change in position or posture of the body. So movements can be internal, external, voluntary or involuntary. There are 3 types of muscles which bring about these movements in human beings. smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and straightened muscles. Smooth muscles bring involuntary movements like constriction and dilation of blood vessels. Cardiac muscles control contraction and relaxation of heart, and the straightened muscles control voluntary movement. We can see the amazing pictures of constrictions, dilations, relaxation, and contraction of heart. Now, let's gain some information about locomotions. The ability to move from one place to another place, or the change in locus of the whole body of living organism from one place to another. This is what the locomotion explains. So this is what we learned in this first lecture. So let's meet in the next lecture. So stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.